Hello everyone, welcome to EasyTVMoney.com video number 3, Get Web Hosting. In this video, you will learn how to get your web host in 10 minutes. Let's get started. Once you have a domain name for your website, you are ready to get a web host for it. A web host is simply a powerful computer to host your web pages. There are many competitive web hosting companies in today's market. You want to find a company that's reputable and has been in the business for quite some time. The host should be reliable and with an uptime of at least 99.9%. Here are some basic requirements for a good web host. You should have at least 50 gigabytes of disk space and at least 1000 gigabytes of bandwidth. It should also allow unlimited domains and subdomains, unlimited email addresses and FTP accounts, and unlimited databases. You do not want a web hosting plan that only allows one domain name or only 10 email addresses. Pricing. Now the price can go anywhere from $4.95 to $12.95. The good thing is that you don't have to know any of those terms. You can always pick up the phone and call their customer service. Most web hosting companies usually offer 24/7 customer service. Some web hosting companies may claim that their hosting packages are as low as $4.95 a month. However, you will have to pay attention to their fine print. Many companies play tricks with us here. The low price may only be available for a certain period of time, and it may increase in the future. Although you might be able to find cheaper web hosts in the market, I'm going to use HostGator as our example here. I've been using its service since 2003 and it's been great, and I'm very familiar with its user interface. Their baby plan meets all the requirements I mentioned above. Right now, the baby plan hosting package is $9.95 per month, which is very affordable and competitive. And if you're not tech savvy, there is one more reason that you should use HostGator. You will need to configure things such as name servers and your FTP client. I will show you how to do this in HostGator. Now that I've established that you should use HostGator, let's dive right in. First, let's visit HostGator website in your web browser. Please note that the website may have changed, but the process should be similar. Now click the View Web Hosting Plans link. And here you can see they have 3 plans: Hatching, Baby Plan, and Business Plan. You can click on Compare all hosting plans to see more information. As you can see here, the Baby Plan meets all the requirements listed above. It supports unlimited disk space and bandwidth, unlimited domains and subdomains, unlimited email addresses and FTP accounts, and unlimited databases. It costs $9.95 a month if you pay monthly, and it can be cheaper if you buy a longer period package. If you're ready to order, go to this page again and pick your payment plan from the drop-down window. Now here I'm going to choose a monthly and click Order Now. Here you need to choose your domain. Since you have already registered your domain in last video, you can simply enter your domain name here. I'm going to enter our dummy domain name tubpoodle.com and press Continue. In this step, you can choose the package plan as Baby and choose your billing cycle. Here I'm going to use a monthly. Here you can enter your username and password, which they call security PAN. Enter your billing information here. Once you are done, you can click Create Account. In a few minutes, you will receive a confirmation email from HostGator, which contains your account information. In the future, if you can't remember your HostGator login information, you can always go to your email and search for HostGator and find this confirmation email. It should look something like this. The red texts are my explanations, and I intentionally blocked out some information for privacy. Here you can find your domain name, your username, your password, your IP address, and your name servers. Our next step is to change the name servers for your domain name. You're going to use information here, your name servers. To change name server, basically we need to notify our domain registrar where our domain name should point to. In our example, we should tell GoDaddy that our domain taputo.com is hosted at name servers here, ns35.hostgator.com and ns36.hostgator.com. To do so, go to your browser, then visit godaddy.com. Log in with your username and a password. If you can't remember your login information, you can refer to the confirmation email or call GoDaddy support to retrieve them. When you log in, let your web browser or LastPass remember the username and the password so next time you don't have to manually enter them to log in. Now once you log in, if you're not under My Account, click My Account and you will be taken to your account area and you should be able to see your domain. Click on it and then you will be taken to the domain settings page. Click on Name Servers button and a window is going to pop up which says Set Name Servers. Choose the option I have specific name servers for my domains. Then enter your 2 name servers that you can find in the confirmation email from HostGator in the 2 text fields over here. Once you're done, click OK. Then you may be notified that it may take a few minutes for this change to take effect. Press OK. Now next step, let's visit your website control panel to see everything is set up properly. If you do use HostGator as your web hosting company, then you can simply visit yourdomain.com/c panel to go to your control panel for your web hosting account. You will need the username and a password you set earlier to log in. The control panel is where you can manage your account. You can add, delete, and modify domains and subdomains, manage your email accounts and your FTP accounts. I will talk more about control panel in other videos. If you open your web hosting account with other companies, they should have similar place where you can manage your account. Contact them if you don't know how to do so. Now that you have your own domain name and your web hosting, we're ready to open your Yahoo Search Marketing account. You have done a lot today and you should just give yourself a round of applause. I'll see you soon in our next video.